What is Ledger? Ledger is the most popular and secure crypto storage service provider with top-notch products from both a user experience perspective as well as that of security. It is a company that designs and manufactures hardware wallets for cryptocurrencies with top industry security. The company's main products are the Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X, and the Ledger Live application. Ledger Stax is a new type of crypto wallet offered with a large ink screen. Ledger also offers an enterprise-level solution for institutional customers to secure the assets of their clients. The company is based in Paris, France. What problem does Ledger solve? Many new crypto users don't store their crypto safely enough when they leave them on centralized crypto exchanges or use paper, browser, or software wallets that are vulnerable to being damaged or hacked. Ledger offers a sure way to store crypto securely in their different hardware wallets with the best unhackable security in the market and provides one access point to all things crypto with the Ledger Live app. How is Ledger special? Ledger is the most popular hardware wallet provider with more than 5 million sales. This is all due to the industry-leading security of their products and the full-spectrum crypto management. Ledger wallets support over 5,500 crypto assets. Additionally, they also support NFT storage.